Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cook with an Italian. Today is something really unusual. We're gonna dry age beef in butter, okay? Easy but quite very cool and nice. We need butter, quite nice amount. This is one nice steak, this is half kilo. String, if you need this stick to make hole, or just use the knife. Make ready a big pot to melt the butter, ok? I want to spend in Italian language something. Ezio, Giannico, questo è per te. A te ti piace la carne? Fallo, è buonissimo. It's just for my friend Ezio in Italy. He love me and he like this style here. Guys, easy. I have this technique, but you can use different. I put this with knife and zack inside. Do the same if you can, okay? That's it. This part is finished. Now, in 2 seconds, we're gonna hanging this, okay? Butter. I'm gonna melt all this butter in this pot. When it's ready, everything, I show you, okay? Because don't gonna be too liquid, okay? I show you later. Okay, guys, the butter is completely melted. It's time to turn it off. We're gonna wait a little bit to cool down this, but in the time you take your steak and start put some butter on like this. You see? And this you're gonna do all the time until it don't become solid, okay? I show you when it's finished this for the other step. Okay guys, the butter become almost solid again. Try to cover all the steak properly, and when it's finished, I'll show you next step, okay? But try to cover properly, okay? Okay guys, you see? Gonna be something like that. Use all the butter, try to cover all meat. Step after is we're gonna hanging somewhere with something underneath now to get dry. And later I show you next step, okay? See you when it's dry. Gonna have something like that, completely covered, okay? This process take me hour and a half. Now, follow me, please. Guys, this is gonna be here 2-3 weeks, okay? See you in 2-3 weeks. Guys, I'm gonna show you the steak after 1 week. See like this. You see? See you next week to try it. Okay guys, 2 weeks gone. I'm very excited. I have the steak dry aged in butter. Gonna be ready. Look at that. Wow, like stone. And we go in, okay? You see, guys, it's beautiful. Now just quickly wash cold water because it's just 2 weeks in the shed. That's like that. Now we dry with tea towel or kitchen roll, and when it's very nice dry, I show you the next step. Next step is mangiare, eat, okay? Okay guys, ready. The time is gone. Now take a knife and oh yeah, beautiful. Now we have to use this just like normal steak. I recommend you to cut strips like steak like this. Wow, oh yeah. Very hot pan is already on. Look at that, the smell guys is very nice. This is for my friend in Italy, Ezio. I can send again. Ezio, prova questo, è buonissimo, ok? O quando vengo in Italia te lo preparo io. Ciao! It's very hot pan. Oh yeah, fantastico. Like Wagyu. It's done. Job done. Mamma mia. I think it's done. This is a little bit bluer, but I love it like this. Some salt, and guys, now is the moment. Ooh. Wait. Wow. Prego bene. È un capolavoro. Guys, the steak dry veg in butter is this. And this is something absolutely stunning. Always, if you like, share the video with friends, subscribe, and check our website cookwithanitalian.com. And if you like, link it up and follow us. Ciao!